Halo, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Jumpa lagi bersama Bang Depa. Kali ini kita akan unboxing paket dari Shopify. Dari Shopee ya. Oke, di sini ada dua paket jumbo, tapi yang akan kita buka satu terlebih dahulu. Langsung saja kita ambil paketnya. Oke teman-teman, ini adalah paketnya, cukup besar ya teman-teman. Tapi untuk kali ini yang akan kita buka adalah yang ada packing kayunya. Langsung saja kita buka. Oke, di sini kita sudah siapkan alat. Langsung saja kita buka ya.
I wanna be the best in the game, invest in my name. Check no restraints, I'm obsessed with the pain. I ingest, I retain, assess and I change. Possessed by the thought I'll be free one day from society's restraints. Money, clout and fame, mud, disease, a plague. We all love to hate, have to play the game, have to make a name. All our insecurities are on display. This is war with the enemy, think that it was meant to be. Living in a time where disease is on every screen. I won't let them fester me, I know most are festering. Negativity is a plague for the mentally weak. No mercy, all I got is working. Never stop searching, never quench the thirsty. I'm toxic and psychotic, with this logic you can't stop it. It's been chronic since I was a boy, so neurotic and chaotic.
I'm built to last with the webs I'm weaving. I could change the past with all I'm achieving. Got my foot on gas, never stop competing. If you break like glass, then this life's gonna eat 'em. Make mistakes real fast, then you learn how to beat 'em. If you take off the cast, you can see all the healing. If the pain's in the past, move on from the grave and put your foot on the gas. No, never stop competing, yeah. I've been doing this, I'm on it. I just wanna be iconic. Sipping on a gin and tonic, got me going off when I'm on this topic, yeah. If I ever play, I want it. You know that I'm always honest. Stay away from those who are toxic. Keep them out your face, no way, you don't want it, yeah.
Don't try to drain my energy, the enemy is everything. It's mentally, unhealthily, spreading like a rare disease. But I won't let it get to me, I don't need your therapy. I can leave a legacy of leading by intensity. Come on, we can fight this, freedom is priceless. Spread just like a virus, living in a crisis. Do you feel courageous? Do you seek greatness? Trust me, you can take it, go on and take your aim, yeah.
Built to last with the webs I'm weaving. I could change the past with all I'm achieving. Got my foot
Oke teman-teman, ini adalah paket besar yang memakai packing kayu ya. Di sini ada sebuah CPU, kalau nggak salah ini Core i5 ya teman-teman. Kemudian ada 3 buah monitor ukuran 16 inch dengan merek Acer, kemudian LG dan juga BenQ ya. Di sini ada keyboard dan juga ada mouse ya teman-teman. Ada mouse. Untuk mouse-nya bagus ya, ini kayaknya Logitech ya. Di sini ada kabel power ya. Ini ada 1, 2, 3, 4 ya. Jadi cukup untuk kabel power dari monitor dan juga CPU. Cuma sayangnya untuk kabel PGA itu cuma ada 1 ya teman-teman. Harusnya ada 3 ya kabel PGA-nya, tapi nggak apa-apa ya. Mungkin yang punya lapak itu lupa memasukkan 2 kabel PGA ya, tapi nggak apa-apa. Kita punya stoknya. Ini dari, kalau nggak salah dari Shopee, dari Aska Demon Komputer ya, di Jakarta ya. Oke teman-teman, itu saja untuk unboxing kita kali ini ya. Sebuah alat elektronik berupa paket komputer dan monitor ya teman-teman. Oke, sampai jumpa lagi di video selanjutnya. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.